Hey everyone, today I'm going to upgrade my Tata Nexon XM petrol model. In this model, there is no alloy wheels as you've seen already. Today I'm going to upgrade this to company alloy wheels. Already I called them. They give me appointment at 11:30. I'm on the way to service center to upgrade the alloy wheels. Come on, let's check out how it's going to be look with the new alloy wheels. Finally reached the service center and I'm just outside of the same, but they are not allowing me to do the video inside of the service center, but I tried, but it's not successful. So just check it out, everything is done.